Hey brides, welcome back. Today I'm giving you 2 tutorials in one video with all items from the Dollar Tree. So if you need a cake stand and a flower girl basket, then stay tuned. Also, if you like this shirt and you need one too, I'll leave the link below in the description box as well as all of my supplies used. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video and follow us on Instagram. So to begin my cake stand, I'm using 3 pizza pans from the Dollar Tree and some beer glasses, and I'm just applying E6000 glue to the mouth of the glass, and I placed it down onto the pizza pan. Now I'm applying E6000 to the bottom of the glass, and I'm going to place a pizza pan on top of that. And I'm also going to do the same process for the other side. Apply E6000 glue to the rim of the glass and place it down onto the pizza pan. And then I'm going to apply some E6000 glue to the bottom of the glass. And I'm going to stick my other glass on top of that, bottom to bottom. And then I'll place the pizza pan on top of the top glass. And that's it, guys. It took me $5 and about 10 minutes to complete this project. Also, once I finished, I felt like it needed a little bit more. So I took the pizza pans off before the glue dried, and I actually spray painted the glasses, and then I reassembled it. So that's why it's silver in the picture that I showed you. Now for the next tutorial, these are flower girl baskets, and I just took this white wire basket that I found at Dollar Tree, and this is some lavender ribbon that I got from Michael's. It was on clearance for 97 cents, and it's the Celebrated brand, and it was pre-cut, so it's like 9 feet long, which of course I didn't use it all. And I'm just going to attach it with some hot glue, and I'm going to do that all the way around the basket. Now that my ribbon is on, I'm going to take these flowers that I used in my standing chandelier video, and these roses also came from the Dollar Tree, but they're left over from a previous project, and I'm just going to hot glue them along the ribbon. And that's it. Once I glue all the flowers down, the basket is complete. This was another simple project. This one cost me about $2 in 10 minutes. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this video. Follow us on Instagram. And until next time, I'll see you later.